So I'm Amy and I'm a Porsche Pro here at the centre.
I'm Jack and I'm part of the sales team here at Porsche Centre Preston.
My name's Aidan and I'm a sales executive at Porsche Centre Preston.
My name's Ethan and I'm a Porsche Pro at the Porsche Centre Preston.
I'm Johnny, part of the sales team here at Porsche Centre Preston.
I'm Jess and I'm Senior Marketing Exec here at Porsche Centre Preston.
It means a lot to work for a brand like Porsche. Obviously started working for Nissan, which was great. Gave me good experience, speaking to customers, getting to know new people.
So Porsche is obviously extremely aspirational. As someone who works in the automotive industry, I saw the development and the build of this centre, and at the time I wasn't in the marketing department, and I always thought, wow, it'd be what an opportunity. So to actually have such a predominant role as part of the brand and to get to use the product and work alongside our customers, yeah, it's great.
Very prestigious brand, really sort of inspiring to work for. Always been a fan of the brand itself and the cars. So
it's an amazing experience, of course, learning all about the cars themselves. Of course, being a car enthusiast myself, you get to actually drive some pretty amazing cars.
So the marketing team is relatively small here. We cover the whole of the group. I predominantly look after digital marketing, but I also oversee a lot of event management with my manager and working alongside the videographer and photographer on shoots, so coordinating shoots as well. So every day is completely different. A typical day in our marketing department, you come in, get your cup of coffee in the morning, check your emails, and then it's all systems go. There's no same day. So yeah, it keeps the job very exciting.
Typical day is preparing the showroom, making sure it looks acceptable for customers. Of course, helping closely with the sales team, handover in the cars, and ensuring the product is good.
So my typical day is making sure everything in the showroom is correct, making sure it all runs smoothly, also working alongside the sales team very closely, helping them with handovers. We also attend the handovers and make sure everything runs smoothly, make sure everyone is up to date with what they know about on the cars, and any questions they have, we're there to answer.
The people at Porsche Preston, they're absolutely fantastic. There isn't a single person who isn't part of the team and doesn't get stuck in.
like I said before, community more than anything. Really easy to work for, very much like a family, so it's easy to get on with everybody.
But in the sales department, who are very together, there's a lot of togetherness in there. Everyone's all for each other.
Everyone's lovely. It's like a big family really. Everyone's really nice, really welcoming, and yeah, couldn't fault them at all. They're amazing.
The favourite thing about my job is I get to drive the product. I also get to go to the Porsche events, which is amazing, with the marketing team.
My favourite thing is just working with the brand. I absolutely love the brand, I love the product, and I love the people. I couldn't fault it. I'm extremely lucky.
The thing I love most about the job is meeting new people, dealing with all sorts of different clients here. We have some great customers, and obviously the brand in itself is amazing and it's great to be part of the team.